Good day, this is Hatchfix and DIY. Today we will be doing a big tree upgrade, and these are the materials we need. This is a 4 gauge power cable and some terminals, heatsink insulators. These are only the materials you need to do a big tree upgrade. You can easily find these out at your local automotive or electrical parts store. And now let us check the tools that we need. First, the electrical tape, some wrenches, pliers, scissors and cutters, and a screwdriver. And let's begin. We will be doing 3 important particular wirings to do the big tree upgrade. First one is the grounding wire from the engine block going to the body chassis. The second one is the grounding wire from the negative terminal of the battery going to the body chassis. The third one and the last wire is from the positive terminal of the battery going to the positive terminal of the alternator. Now we are all done fixing all the cables, and this is the installation time. Let's begin. But before we do all the electrical works, we need to remove the battery terminal first. I already sanded the terminals just to avoid the future corrosion. This is the factory wire from engine block going to the firewall. So as you can see, it's very thin. As you can see, the voltage reading now is 13.6 and it can reach at about 13.7. Before I installed the big tree, the voltage reading is about only 12.8 or 12.9. And now you can really see the difference. The big tree upgrade is really good to boost your electrical system. I am planning soon to install an audio system on my car, so that I did this big tree upgrade. I hope you do enjoy watching this video and learn more about the big tree upgrade. And please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.